Guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for today, September 14, 2024. The Morse code for today is intrigue, INTRIGUE. First you do is to click on daily cipher here. When you get to the daily cipher tab, you get the first letter, which is I. You do two dots. For the second letter, which is N, you do one dash and one dot. For the third letter, which is T, you do just one dash. And for the fourth letter, which is R, you do one dot, one dash, and another dot. For the I, the second I, you do two dots. Then for the G, you do two dashes and one dot. For the U, you do two dots and one dash. Okay, took us back. Let's go again. The G, two dashes and one dot. The U again, two dots and one dash. Then the last letter, which is E. To get this E, do just one dot. Click on take the prize. That's it for today's video, guys. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.